Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this Neilsen Stud Extractor. Sorry about the glare, let me turn the light off quickly. There we are, that should be a bit better for you, so there's no reflection. So this is a drill truck style stud extractor. As you can see, it has a 1/2 inch drive at the bottom here. This is the teeth. It does from 6mm to 13mm according to the instructions. Realistically, 6mm is a bit too small for it, because the hole only goes up to 6mm. You can use it with a variety of things. So you can use a wrench, 2 spanners, an impact wrench. I'll show you a few of those in just a moment. It's made from chrome vanadium and moly steel. And here's just a sacrificial demonstration screw for you here. So as you can see, you slide your broken stud or broken bolt off, and all you do is just tighten up by hand first. I'm going the wrong way, so let me quickly turn it around. And what I normally do is I just tighten up by hand like this first, until I get to a rough tightness that I need, just so it's gripped onto the stud or bolt by itself. Normally this is easier because the stud is in the car. Then all I take is a pair of my universal water pump pliers. You've seen a video on these before. They'll be in the What's in the Toolbox playlist, so check them out. And I get a good grip of it like that. And then I'll bring the ratchet in. Get this in the right angle for you, there we go. And then all I do is tighten it down first so it's nice and solid on there. And then once you get a nice good grip, you can take the water pump pliers away, and then you can just work the stud out. Obviously this won't work because it's just a screw here, but if you had a proper broken off stud what you need removing, this would then help you loosen it up. As you can see, it gives a fair amount of grip on it. You can also use it with an impact, which I'll show you in just a second. So here we are with the impact attached to the stud extractor now. Again, first thing we need to do is tighten it up. So we're putting this all the way. In fact, let's speed things up a bit by grabbing the water pump pliers, like so. Slap it in reverse, then boom, and then that would just simply remove the thing when you get it on properly. That would simply just remove the stud if it was attached. Really handy, especially on the impact, as you can see here. This is the best way of getting them out, I found. It may be overkill for some of the smaller ones, but for anything like this size or up, it's quite handy. So a few other features about this stud extractor. Again, this is 22mm, and this is a 28mm, I believe. I'm not quite sure. I normally just use the water pump pliers on it if I ever need to remove them, and usually I use the impact, the 1/2 inch socket adapter. You can do it with the other end, with the 2 spanners, like I said. It's a bit more difficult. I highly do recommend using the either the impact or the ratchet wrench. They do make it so much easier for you. Obviously, another thing you can do with this, you can get on the heads of the things. So say you've got a stripped off nut, you're having a struggle getting off, you can get on the head of it like this, tighten it down, and then you can also remove a stuck nut or other fastener with this, which can be quite handy. Just a little tip before it. So my final thoughts on the stud extractor, it comes in damn handy, especially for like any of the studs that you think. It may not be the smallest and most compact, but there are other options you have available to you, which I might show you in the future if you're interested. Just let me know in the comments down below. But overall, I really enjoy using this. It's a great little tool. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.